Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Oral Motor Tools is probably one of the most sought-after resources for parents and therapists working with children facing challenges with speech, feeding, or oral motor skills. In this video, we will explore the top-rated oral motor tools available in the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall effectiveness to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. BuzzBuddy Oral Motor Kit. Meet BuzzBuddy, the calming oral sensory kit designed to help stimulate the mouth, lips, gums, and jaw. It's perfect for kids, teens, and adults. It comes with 6 different textured heads, each with a unique shape and feel. This variety offers multiple ways to explore and engage. The soft, textured heads provide gentle massage and stimulation. There's even a cute teddy bear head for added fun. BuzzBuddy helps provide tactile clues and sensory responses, crucial for reducing food aversions and improving oral sensitivities. It supports speech development and self-feeding skills. The gentle vibrations add another layer of sensory stimulation, helping to develop jaw mobility and other important oral skills. It's powered by a single AAA battery. This kit includes a handy zippered storage pouch, making it easy to take BuzzBuddy with you wherever you go. Keep it organized and ready for use at home or on the go. What we like. It has various interchangeable heads to stimulate different areas of the mouth. The gentle vibrations add another layer of sensory input, making it soothing and enjoyable. If you're looking for a versatile and portable oral motor tool for kids with sensory needs, this is the one for you. What people say. Great quality, and my toddler loves the bright colors. Some of the heads are a bit too big for the type of oral stimulation our 2-year-old needs, but I am sure he will grow into those as he gets older. The vibrating tool has 3 settings, which you can easily change with the button. I love the carrying case, too. I use this stimulation kit a lot as it helps me in my profession as a speech therapist. The interchangeable heads have different textures that help my patients soothe their sensory needs and improve their speech and language. It is easy to use, and the material feels durable. It's also easy and practical to take everywhere, which makes it convenient to bring to home therapy sessions. The vibration is a little strong for my son, but he loves to be able to chew and pick out which top he wants to use. It's easy to clean, and they are pretty durable given he has chewed them intensely and they don't look too worn. Number 4. BuzzBuddy Oral Motor Kit. It's a calming oral sensory kit designed to help stimulate the mouth, lips, gums, and jaw. It's perfect for kids, teens, and adults. It comes with 6 soft, textured heads, each with a unique shape and design. There's something for everyone to enjoy and explore. The heads offer a variety of textures and shapes, including a spoon and even a teddy bear. This makes it fun and engaging for children. It helps provide tactile clues and sensory responses for the mouth. This is crucial for decreasing food aversions and improving oral skills. It uses a single AAA battery to create a soft, gentle vibration. This adds another layer of sensory stimulation and helps develop jaw mobility. It comes with a zippered storage pouch, making it easy to use at home or on the go. Keep it organized and ready for use anytime. What we like. It provides multiple ways to stimulate the mouth, lips, gums, and jaw. The soft vibrations are calming and help develop oral skills. If your child needs a fun and effective way to improve oral motor skills, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality, and my toddler loves the bright colors. Some of the heads are a bit too big for the type of oral stimulation our 2-year-old needs, but I am sure he will grow into those as he gets older. The vibrating tool has 3 settings, which you can easily change with the button. I love the carrying case, too. I use this stimulation kit a lot as it helps me in my profession as a speech therapist. The interchangeable heads have different textures that help my patients soothe their sensory needs and improve their speech and language. It is easy to use, and the material feels durable. It's also easy and practical to take everywhere, which makes it convenient to bring to home therapy sessions. The vibration is a little strong for my son, but he loves to be able to chew and pick out which top he wants to use. It's easy to clean, and they are pretty durable given he has chewed them intensely and they don't look too worn. Number 3. ARK Textured Grabber XT. It's tough, yet still chewy, perfect for those who need a little extra help with oral motor skills. It's great for mild to moderate chewing needs. The bumps and nubs provide tactile input. This can help encourage texture acceptance and decrease food aversions. It has a built-in handle for easy grasping. The long extension helps reach those hard-to-reach back molars. It's a safe alternative to biting on hands, knuckles, or clothing. This helps protect your child from injury. It's made right here in South Carolina, USA, by ARK Therapeutic. You can trust in its quality and safety. Give your child the support they need with the ARK Textured Grabber XT. It's designed for safe and effective chewing. What we like. This chew is designed for kids who need a durable and stimulating option. The textured surface provides great tactile feedback, and the handle makes it easy to use. If you need a tough chew for a child with strong chewing needs, this is perfect. What people say. My autistic 4-year-old uses this, and he's a very excessive chewer and has yet to break it. I got this for my preschooler who chews on fabric when he's tired. He now chews on this instead. He's been using it in the evenings for a week now with no signs of wear and tear. This is a sturdy and handy tether used for my 2-year-old nearly every day. With the shape, they can get a good comfortable grip or tether clip it during wagon and car rides. Holding up great when others started cracking or had the nubs begin to peel off. Number 2. TalkTools Jiggler Set. These fun chewable tools help improve sensory awareness in the mouth and jaw muscles. They're great for kids and adults alike. You get 2 jigglers, a unicorn and a sloth, a handy carrying pouch, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to get started. They help stimulate the mouth, lips, gums, and jaw. It can even help reduce jaw clenching and improve speech sounds. The unicorn helps with transitioning to spoon feeding, while the sloth aids in lip rounding. Each jiggler has a unique purpose. Adult supervision is required for use. It requires 2 AA batteries, not included. We're confident you'll love your jigglers. But if you're not satisfied, contact us, and we'll make things right. What we like. This set includes 2 different jigglers, each designed to address specific oral motor needs. They're great for improving sensory awareness and reducing muscle tension. If you're looking for a targeted approach to oral motor therapy, this is a good option. What people say. The vibrations are gentle but effective in increasing awareness and improving muscle control. Great quality. Cute design. Well made. Love the 3 stages of vibration. Easy to put in batteries, easy to use. The book contains useful knowledge as well. Number 1. TalkTools Sensi Oral Tool. It helps children improve their attention span. It's great for kids who have difficulty sitting still or concentrating for long periods. This tool can significantly improve oral motor skills and coordination. It's beneficial for children with speech and feeding challenges. It helps children articulate sounds and words more clearly. It strengthens the muscles used for eating and drinking. Regular use can help reduce sensitivities to different textures and feelings in the mouth. It's perfect for children with sensory sensitivities. We prioritize customer satisfaction. We offer a money-back guarantee, ensuring you're completely happy with your purchase. What we like. It helps improve attention span and strengthens oral muscles. It can also help reduce oral sensitivities to different textures. If you want a tool that addresses multiple oral motor challenges, this is a great choice. What people say. It helps my daughter with her teething pains. Very good product. My son uses it and he will hold it himself. It's stimulating his mouth and tongue to hopefully talk soon. This works really well for post-revision massage. My 3Y_0 son preferred using this tool over manual massage and will even stick it in his mouth to use it himself. It seems to be a very good fit for this type of work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.